the nominees are
Kathy Belton, Roy.
He hasn't touched his computer in days.
Susan Loughnane, Love Hate. Ruth Nega, Secret State. Deirdre O'Kane, Moon Boy.
All right, all right.
the winner is Susan Loughnane.
To the members of IFTA and to the IFTA team for the award. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks a million to my family, my parents who came, regardless of whether I would win or lose, always here. My boyfriend David, my brothers, my friends, the Love Hate family, Stuart, Dave, Suzanne, Steve, Jane Gogan, Maureen Hughes and Claire for giving me the part and always supporting me. And my agents at Lisa Richards, thank you so, so much to everybody. I really, really appreciate it.